What's up, Slayers? You know what time it is. It is time for a review. Today we are reviewing the Easy Solar roof-mounted junction box. They sent me one right here, so this thing's really cool. It's a very lightweight PVC junction box. Inside comes with a install manual, bag of screws for decking as well as lid screws. Comes pre-installed with a ground bar, DIN rail. It has this perforated area that is the not approved drilling zone. This nice flat area in here is your approved drilling zone to penetrate into the attic. These 4 holes on the outside are for your decking screws. 2 holes on the bottom are your weep holes, drain holes, and should any water get in the box, can easily quickly drain out. One really cool feature that I like that these guys incorporated on this box is on the back. It has a nice little channel here showing you where to put your caulk, and it leaves a nice 1-inch drain hole here, so should any water get inside of here, it's got a nice area for drain out, doesn't build up, doesn't go back up, get into your screws, get into the attic. So I really like, they make it very easy and simple for anybody that's never installed one of these before, exactly how to get them installed. Install guide here has a quick start guide on the front. If you open it up, it's got a nice, more detailed how-to step-by-step, as well as spec sheet on the back. The box is NEMA 3R rated, so they are rated and approved to be mounted outside and on a roof. And I'm going to go ahead and put up the install manual here, so just hit pause if you guys want to take a look at it. And while you guys are reading that, I'm going to go outside, get set up, and show you guys how to step-by-step get one of these installed on my test roof outside.